Welcome back to our plastic-free adventure. It's officially the first day of the year, and in this video I'm going to be focusing on how to make this transition. I know it might feel a little bit daunting or overwhelming. It certainly has for me in moments, but every choice that I make to not use something with plastic feels really good, and that feeling overwhelms any feelings of difficulty. So follow me and we're going to take a trip down the hows of making this transition. Preparation is absolutely key to our success during this plastic-free challenge, so I suggest you put together a toolkit for yourself for when you go shopping. It will include reusable containers, utensils, a reusable straw made from bamboo or metal, a coffee mug for you coffee lovers, a jar, as well as a reusable bag. This is fabric that's covered in beeswax. It's an amazing alternative to plastic wrap. And at the end of this video, I'll provide a list of online resources that will greatly aid you in your success during this plastic-free challenge. Buying in bulk is a really great alternative to buying pre-packaged things. And so here I'm going to be getting myself some flour. The thing that you have to do is get your container weighed beforehand. So they were nice enough to put a little tear on there for me. So yeah, buying in bulk, the key to that is being prepared. So you have to think about what you're going to be doing that day, think a little bit ahead of time, and make sure you have some empty containers or jars, or I even still have some old plastic bags that I reuse, and I wash them out afterwards and dry them and then reuse them. So, buy in bulk. I'm not ready. Are you recording it right now? Mm-hmm. Okay, well wait, stop. I know you may not feel ready to make this change, but our oceans and marine life are at stake. This is the sad alternative. This is what our plastic is doing. So let's be the change and put an end to this. Thank you so much for joining me.